Welcome back to another video, and for today I'll be going over the best 5 free AI tools that you should be using in 2022 as a beginner YouTuber, and best of all, it's free to use. So let's get into the video. And at number 5 we have InVideo. This is one of the tools that you first hear about when you go into YouTube about creating a faceless YouTube channel. InVideo is a free online video editor that offers a large suite of tools. And the main tools we'll be talking about today is the text to video tool. This tool allows you to convert any given amount of text into a complete video. You can choose from different sizes, either from YouTube videos to YouTube shorts. And as you can see, these are all the templates they give you totally for free, and you can use these templates and download them directly to your devices after you're done editing your videos. So try out InVideo today and do all this without paying a penny. At number 4 we have QuillBot. If you're going to be creating a video with the first tool InVideo, most times you'll be needing to use an article for your script. And if you're a blogger and you want to transform your blog post into YouTube videos, you will have to paraphrase those texts on your articles. So what better AI writer tool than QuillBot? So with QuillBot, you get a limited amount of words to paraphrase at 125 words. Why I recommend QuillBot is because you can manually interfere with each word to suit your tastes and whatever video you're trying to produce. So next, all you just have to do is copy out the text and place it in whatever text editor you use. Now onto the next tool. At number 3 we have Canva. Normally Canva would not be on the list for AI tools, but recently I've been using it as such. For YouTubers creating thumbnails, logos, banners and channel art, this takes a lot of thinking and tweaking. With Canva, you can basically choose a template and choose whatever element you want, and then just create a YouTube thumbnail with a template. As you can see from what I just did, this makes the whole thinking process less hectic, and it will help you in your design creation, so you don't have to think about creating whatever design you want from scratch. So if you enjoyed this video so far, it would mean a lot to me if you can please hit the like button on this video, and I'll be linking every tool I talk about today in the description section below. So now let's get back to the video. And at number 2 we have VidIQ. When people hear of VidIQ, what comes to their mind first is a keyword research tool. VidIQ free plan offers more than just its keyword research tool, and there are other tools that I really enjoy using on VidIQ, and these are the competitor tool and the daily idea tool. The competitor tool allows you to add up to 3 channels that offer similar content to yours on YouTube on its free plan. This allows you to monitor and implement what you've learned from those channels in your niche and with some nice amounts of data. Like you can see their old videos that are still racking up views and their most recent posts and how it is performing. Doing all this manually would virtually be impossible to do, so it automates all those processes for you just in one place. And the daily idea tool gives you 3 content ideas that are related to your previous content and have the potential to blow up if you create a video around it. Just think about it for a second. If you're someone like me who posts daily and is given 3 daily ideas for their video for free, it will definitely cut down the workload and time of me thinking about new ideas. So in turn, it increases my productivity by a wide margin. So if you think VidIQ is overrated, think again. So on to the next tool. At number 1 we have Copy.ai. Every YouTuber knows how it is to generate YouTube ideas or titles or even hashtags for their videos. But this is where Copy.ai comes in handy. Copy.ai has a lot of free features that will be helpful to anyone who comes into their websites. But today we will take a look at the social media tools and more specifically the YouTube tools. As you can see, we have the YouTube ideas, the hashtag generator, the YouTube description intro, and the YouTube video title. Let's quickly create a YouTube video title in this video. Now that it is ready, you can see the various options they give to me. We all know that tweaking your titles and your thumbnails really helps with the video performance on YouTube. So having a lot of them would not be a really bad option to have. So now that we've come to the end of this video, did you enjoy this video? Did you like my list? Comment below your favorite tool I talked about in this video or any other tool that you know of outside this video. Please do leave a like on this video and it would make me really motivated to make more videos like this for you guys daily. And please do subscribe if you want to and smash that notification bell for more daily videos, and check out this video on 5 free tools that all YouTubers and bloggers need. I'm sure you're going to enjoy that too. So have a great day and I'll see you in the next video.